If you've ever wondered how people can be saying something and their cursor is moving on the screen, or whatever they are showing is being shown on the other side of their screen, clicking buttons or teaching something step by step, that's screen recording with voice narration. And by the end of this video, you're going to learn how to do the same for yourself. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my phone. This is what beginners use mostly. So I'm going to teach you as a beginner how you can actually do screen recording perfectly with your phone. And I will employ you to watch to the end because I'm going to be showing you the perfect screen record that you can actually use to get the perfect results. But before we head into the full tutorial, let's understand fully what screen recording is. Screen recording simply means capturing everything that happens on your screen, your movements, your clicks, and actions as a video. Now, when you add your voice on top of it, that's called a voice narration or a voiceover recording. So basically, while you're talking and recording, your screen is being recorded so viewers can see exactly what you're doing on your phone or on your screen. If you're using a laptop or a PC, I'm going to be giving you some great tools you can actually use. You can use the OBS Studio because this is actually free and this is one of the best tools. It allows you to record your screen and your voice at the same time. You can even record your face if you want. For this tutorial, we're going to be using my phone. For the purpose of this tutorial, like I said, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using my phone and we're going to be working with X Recorder. Okay, so for you to get X Recorder, I'm going to go to Google Play or your Safari browser if you're using an Apple phone, right? So I'm going to locate my Google Play here. Sorry, you're going to go to Play Store, not Google Play. So this is my Play Store here. And this thing I'm doing exactly is what is called screen recording. I'm sure you can see my screen. You can see what I'm doing on my screen. So I'm just going to come down here and search for X Recorder. X Recorder, screen recorder. Okay, so this is not the X Recorder I'm talking about. You're going to take this one. You see this one, screen recorder X Recorder. That's the one you're going to download, and that's the one that is actually very perfect. You can show your face there, right? So I already have it installed on my phone. I'm just going to open it, right? So I'm just going to open it. Now, if you come above here, you really don't need every other thing there. All you need is, if you want your face to show while you're recording, you can actually, you see here they have face cam. You tap on the face cam. You can see my face is showing already. But I don't want my face to show. I'll just close it back. So once this voice recorder is on, okay, you can just go back. Just leave it and start recording what you're saying. Let's say, for instance, I want to teach about the YouTube algorithm, right? I'll just go to Google and then type what is YouTube algorithm. Okay, what is YouTube algorithm 2025? You tap on it. You can see everything I'm doing right here is showing on the screen, right? Now it says, this definition is coming from ChatGPT. It says the 2025 YouTube algorithm prioritizes personalized viewer satisfaction using large language models (LLMs) to analyze content and match it to user habits. Key updates include a greater emphasis on satisfying the viewer and a shift away from traditional performance metrics to focus on viewer engagement. New features include an A/B testing tool for titles and updates to better capture niche across different communities. So you can see everything I'm doing here is showing on my screen. Everything I'm doing is showing on my screen, right? So this is exactly how to record your phone. Now, another way to actually record what you're saying if you don't want to show on camera, because a lot of times, or let's say, for instance, you are operating on a faceless YouTube channel and you want to record your screen without appearing on camera like I am appearing on camera right now. all you simply need to do is you don't need to be open your camera. All you need is just your other phone, which you're going to be using to record, right? Just turn it on and be doing what you're doing. Okay? So you can see as I am moving around, you can see something. You can see this thing I'm shaking. So this is what you're going to be using to be pointing to whatever you want to show somebody. You're just going to, for example, if I want to tell you now that, okay, if I want to point a particular place, I can just say prioritize. If I want to tell you, for instance, we're talking about this place that is highlighted in blue, I'll just use this cursor and touch it so that the person you're teaching will know where you're pointing at. Right? So it's just as simple as that. If you enjoyed this video, do us a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I have more tutorials like this, and if you have questions, you can drop at the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.